morning, Scots. I'm Eliana Burkes.
And I'm Sissa Agerton. Welcome back to Scots Weekly, the highlight reel of everything Highland.
Speaking of highlight reels, the NFL just wrapped up week 1, and some of the teams are already looking like Super Bowl contenders and others. Well, maybe they should just join our Scots JV team.
Facts, but here at Highland, we're all winners, so let's kick off this week's announcements before the weekend blows the whistle on us.
First up, do you like writing stories, novels, songs, or even poems?
Then the Creative Writing Club is calling your name.
Swing by room 3B during lunch and get all the details to join the fun.
Next up, Highlands College Fair is happening next Friday during lunch in the quad.
Make sure you stop by, check out all the schools, and come prepared with some good questions.
And don't forget, rock some college gear that day to show your spirit. Finally, thinking about starting a brand new club here at Highland?
Then pay attention, new club applications are due September 26th.
So don't wait around, get that paperwork done, and turn your idea into the next big thing on campus. It's commercial break time, but before we go, here's your joke of the week, Scots.
All right, hit me with it.
I've decided I want a pet termite.
A pet termite? Really?
Yep, I'm gonna name him Clint. You know, Clint eats wood.
That's a pretty good one.
I'm glad you liked it. We'll be right back after this.
In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, it is time for the Hispanic Heritage Door Contest. Work with your second period teacher to decorate your classroom door and show off your creativity and pride. Doors are due September 30th. The prize is a delicious food item hosted by Poder. Let's celebrate culture, history, and community. Get creative, Scots.
Hey Scots, Highland High School's Red Cross Club presents the Stand Down Drive. From September 8th to September 19th, donate any new or gently used adult clothes, shoes, new undergarments, and socks. Please bring any items to Mrs. Martinez's room 14C. Any donations will count as volunteer hours. Support Red Cross's Stand Down Drive and help make a difference by supporting our veterans.
Now let's hand it off to our sports crew and see what's happening under the Friday night lights on the football field.
What's up, Scots? I'm Jordan.
And I'm Yustin. Thank you for tuning in to Highland Sports.
Let's get rolling with today's announcements.
First up, Scots Highland takes on Kingsburg tonight right here on our football field.
Don't forget to bring your student ID and you'll get in the game for free.
Pack the stands, bring the hype, and get ready for a great game.
Let's go, Scots! Next up, if you're heading out to the game tonight,
the theme is all about honoring our veterans and celebrating Childhood Career Awareness Month.
So show your support by wearing red, white, and gold in the stands tonight. Now let's go check out some interviews.
Featuring the tennis team with Julian brings us coverage.
Guys, it's your boy Julian and we're here with
Cami, Payson Daly, Riley,
Joanna Neela.
What are your thoughts when you're in a tennis match?
I would say mostly I think just don't mess up and lock in.
If you were able to go to any tennis open, what would it be?
I would go to Indian Wells because it's right here in California.
If your tennis racket was to say anything to you, what would it say?
It would say follow through on your hits.
If you could play doubles with any celebrity, who would it be?
I would probably play with Ben Shelton because he has a really fast serve.
Would you win every game with no snacks after, or lose every game but have McDonald's?
I'd say win every match and have no snacks because I'm already on a streak, so I want to keep it going.
What's the funniest thing that has happened at practice?
So far, the funniest thing has been when one of my teammates hit Mr. Valdez in the head. So.
That's quite a funny one.
Hello Scots, I'm Kayla Hida, and as you can see, I'm standing right in front of our brand new pool. So exciting, right? And it's a perfect way to kick off water polo season. Speaking of which, let's talk about our girls water polo team. They completed a tournament last week and brought 3 wins out of 4 games. Good job, ladies. But that's all from me, Scots. Back to you.
All right, Scots, that's it for your sports update.
Now let's send it back over there to the ladies.
Time for a quick commercial break.
Don't go anywhere, Scots. We'll be right back.
Attention Scots, if you need a work permit, here's what to do. First, pick up a green work permit application in the Career Center room 2A or the front office. Second, fill out the application and sign it yourself. You must be 15 and a half years old and have at least a 2.0 GPA.
I wish I had a pen to fill this out.
Third, have your parent or guardian sign the application. Fourth, get your employer to complete and sign their section. Fifth, return the completed application to Miss Ubeda in the Career Center 2A. Please allow at least 48 hours for processing. 6, once it's ready, pick up your official work permit from 2A before school, at lunch, or after school, and give it to your employer. Don't wait until the last minute. Get your application in early so you're ready to work.
Guys, Miss Purcell keeps on telling me to take the PSAT this year. Do I really have to take it?
Girl, I am. I'm trying to go to college.
Wait, what's the PSAT?
The PSAT is coming up on October 16th at 9 a.m. and the deadline is September 24th.
Okay, but how much is this gonna cost me? I just spent all my money on a vending machine for Takis.
What if you're broke like Celeste?
If you're broke like Celeste and you're in 11th grade with free reduced lunch, it's actually free. You just have to go to Career Center Room 2A.
Okay, free? That's my favorite word. Where's my pen at?
And if you're paying full price, all you have to do is go register at the finance office.
Okay, but why even take the test?
You should take the PSAT test because it's the only way to qualify for the National Merit Scholarship Program. And they give over 7,500 scholarships every year.
Scholarships? That means free college. And forget Takis, I'm signing up today.
Remember, Scots, register for the PSAT test before September 24th.
Your college journey starts here.
What's up, Scots? My name is Adrian Quadras, a PAC representative, and we're going to tell you a little bit about what we do here on campus.
What's up, Scots? I'm Luke Parra, and here at PAC, we work one-on-one with students to achieve a successful high school experience for all kids.
All right, I'm here with
Brooklyn Black. I'm a senior here at Highland.
And my question is, how has your experience been as a PAC representative?
I really do love being a PAC representative. I think it's really great to intermingle with all the different PAC mentors that we have, and then I get to work alongside with Brella, and he's one of my favorite teachers on campus, so it's always really fun.
Bro, am I in trouble? Nah, you're not in trouble. You were just referred here by your counselor, so I'm gonna just get to know you, give you the best possible chance to succeed.
All right, appreciate that though.
Before we go, don't forget, Highland takes on Kingsburg at home this Friday.
Come out, cheer on the Scots, and show your Highland Scots pride.
And always remember to flat up!
I wear this on Monday, wear this